Okay, everybody, I want to give you a little update on the. Let me get the garage open here. On the. Hey, what's up, Bill? Good, man. Hey, your pajamas look good, brother. Good looking PJs. On the X-Star Premium. And the update is that it's fixed. Okay, what was wrong with it was what I thought was wrong with it, and that was the iPhone 11 Pro. It can't run on the iPhone 11 Pro, it won't work. What I had to do was I went out to the park. Now, unfortunately, I didn't run a screen recorder or nothing, but I did get some footage from the flight. But I just hooked the iPhone 6 up to it, and it ran flawlessly. You know, I mean, the thing is old, and when that thing came out, the iPhone 6 was out, so I'm sure maybe the 7 would have worked too, but the 6, I put it on there, and I didn't get any of that wrong battery crap, or unknown battery, or there was no lag in the video, or anything. It ran just like it was supposed to run with the iPhone 6, so that was what the problem was. It didn't recognize that hardware that the iPhone 11 Pro has, so there was something going on in there where it's freaking it out. So that's that. So it's working like a champ. So I have a little bit of video. I'll put in the video tomorrow. So it looks nice, man. The video looks really nice on that thing. So I'm pretty impressed with it. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later.